Hi guys, back to another video. In this video I'll be unboxing these Bose quietcomfort 35 second generation with noise cancellation. Here we got a manual. Oh, and a case. Another one. What? Oh yeah. Just download the app here. So you get nice elastics. This has sound cancellation. And then here you have USBs to USB. But this is it's headphones. Get the volume button on this side and this button here. I think this is customized button, and then you got the charging port, and then you got your headphones if you want to connect it to wirelessly, and then you got the power button and Bose logo and Bose logo. You have this type of shadow here on the top. You don't have on the other side. You got the power button. So here you have it, and here it's called Bose Connect. Yeah, you got the reviewers. Yes. Install it now. Let's come back when it's finished. And here it's ready. Just open it. So the app is just a white app with a little plus. And then just turn this on. And you just have to swipe down. So you gotta push it all to the end. Here I go just download the app. I just opened it. Just gotta swipe down. Turn this on. So now it's connected, and this button here is for noise cancellation, so you can have, you just put on.
Low, off, high, low.
Yeah, and the other side is just, as you can see, Google. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe, like, and share this video. Bye.